Jesus Christ, Mary, I told you, you put them in or on anything. Right, I'll make you a video. Mary? Hey, how are things? I was just about to make a video for Mary to show you how simple it is to use microgreens. You put them in or on anything. This is a dish that I'm pretty famous for around here. It's called Toaste Francais. So let's get started. I have the pan heating here. Going to throw some olive oil in there. You can use normal oil if you want. That's heating up there. I've just picked these eggs fresh. Just picked them fresh there a couple of hours ago. So lots of protein, 3 eggs in there. Whisk that up. You can use very healthy brown bread or normal brown bread. I'll bring the camera over a bit closer here. Right, now maybe I've got a better view there. You can see the pan. Yeah, there. Right, so I'm just whisking the egg. And I'm going to just use sliced bread. Right. And you simply do that and that. Into the pan and pour some in if you want some extra protein. Les Toaste Francais. So that's just cooking away there now. So I'm going to come over here and I've got some fresh radish and broccoli, and I'm just going to cut that very easy. So full of nutrition, grown in your own house. You can learn yourself. Take one of my classes, you'll be kind of an expert very quickly. Right, let's go back over to the pan. So we'll leave that there. Let's go back over and see how this is doing. How's she doing there? She's doing good. So she's ready for a turn. Pretty simple, nothing complicated there. Doesn't matter if it's a bit all over the place like that. That's good. So, I like to finish my Le Toast Francais with some ketchup, some salt, and if you like it hot, a bit of cayenne chili pepper. So, just waiting on this dude. That's just about done. Right, let's just go over to the plate. So a lot of protein in there. Very simple to make. You can throw all them extra bits on. Now, bit of red sauce. Bit of salt. Now, for those of you who like it hot, bit of cayenne. Now, and some broccoli and radish. There you go. Very simple and just packed with nutrition. So Mary, remember, you put them in or on anything. Great. Bye.